Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how to connect Qikink to your Shopify store. So Qikink is a fantastic print-on-demand and drop shipping platform that can help you scale your business. So in order to connect your Shopify store, first you need to have a Qikink account. So if you haven't signed up yet, head over to qikink.com. And then from here, you just need to create your free account by clicking on the sign up button right here. Now here you just have to complete the details, full name, email, password, phone number. So what brings you here? As you can see, you just have to answer the questions. And then how did you discover Kicking? And then from here, check this box and click on sign up button. Now you need to verify via OTP here. So enter the OTP number. So as you can see, you need to open your WhatsApp application to get the number. Once done, click on verify. So there you go. Once you log in, take a moment to explore the dashboard here. You'll find all the tools you need to create and manage your products. Now let's connect Kicking to your Shopify store. From your Kicking dashboard, go to the integrations tab. So you will find right over here on the right side of your screen or the middle of your screen and select on Shopify, right? So from here, you'll see an option here just to click on Get Shopify app to connect your Shopify store. So once you click on that, and then you'll be prompted to enter Shopify store URL. Now you'll be redirected to Shopify to authorize the connection. Make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin panel. And then from here, once you log in with your account here in Shopify App Store, you just have to click on the install button right here on the left side or left side panel of your screen. And then again, you just have to install the application here. So as you can see, this app needs access to, you have to permissions here and then click on install button. So as you can see here, once you authorize the connection, you'll now be redirected to Qikink, and your Shopify store will now be linked. So here, as you can see, you just have to log in with your Qikink account. So just need to enter your username. So in my case, I'm going to enter my email, right? So type at gmail.com and then click on the submit button. And then enter the 5-digit verification code received on your email. And once done here, click on the submit button. So make sure that the verification code is correct. So double check before you leave this page. Now that your store is connected, it's time to import products. So browse through Kikink's product catalog and select the items you want to sell. And you can customize the products with your designs and then sync them directly to your Shopify store. And once synced, the products will appear in your Shopify store, ready for your customers to purchase. So with Kiki connected to Shopify, order management becomes a breeze. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, it will automatically be sent to Kiki for fulfillment. So you can track the status of all your orders right from the Kiki dashboard. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.